What if you could make money, even while you sleep? Sounds crazy, right? In this video, I'll show you how to build passive income step by step, even if you're starting from zero. What if you could make money, even while you sleep? Sounds crazy, right? In this video, I'll show you how to build passive income step by step, even if you're starting from zero. 1. Understand what passive income really is. Passive income is money you earn without working constantly. But here's the truth, it's not 100% passive at the start. You either invest time, money, or skills upfront, and later, it pays you repeatedly. 2. Choose the right passive income stream. There are different ways to build passive income. Here are beginner-friendly options: investing, stocks, ETFs, affiliate marketing, YouTube, or content creation selling digital products. Don't try everything at once. Pick one and focus. 3. Start with what you have. You don't need a lot of money to begin. If you have time, learn a skill. If you have money, start investing. If you have knowledge, create content or digital products. Start where you are. 4. Build consistently. This is where most people fail. Passive income is not quick money. You need to stay consistent. Post content regularly, invest regularly, improve regularly. That's how it grows. 5. Reinvest your earnings. When you start making money, don't spend everything. Reinvest it. Use your profits to invest more, improve your content, grow your income streams. This is how small money becomes big money. 6. Be patient. This is key. Passive income takes time. You might not see results immediately, but if you stay consistent, it will pay off. Remember, slow growth is still growth. If you want to build passive income, start today, not tomorrow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Speech balloon. Comment below. Which passive income method are you starting with? And check out my next video to keep learning how to grow your money with Fiscal Wisdom.